Imagine a kitchen appliance that combines sleek style, cutting-edge technology, and the versatility to whip up everything from crispy air-fried wings to a perfectly baked 12-inch pizza, all without touching your main oven. Enter the Café Couture Oven with air fry, a countertop marvel that's redefining home cooking. This isn't just another toaster oven. It's a 14-in-1 culinary powerhouse designed to make your kitchen life easier, faster, and more stylish. Whether you're a busy parent, a foodie hosting dinner parties, or a design enthusiast who values aesthetics as much as performance, this oven delivers. Let's dive into why the Café Couture Oven is a must-have for modern kitchens. Why the Café Couture Oven stands out? The Café Couture Oven isn't your average countertop appliance. With 14 essential cooking modes, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, pizza, cookies, proof, dehydrate, slow cook, reheat, keep warm, bagel, and the innovative CrispFinish, it's like having a professional kitchen in a compact, stylish package. Its spacious interior fits a 12-inch pizza, a 9 by 13-inch cake pan, or a 2-quart casserole dish, making it ideal for everything from quick weeknight meals to elaborate holiday feasts. Add in Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control via Echo or Google Home, and a sleek matte black finish with signature copper accents, and you've got an appliance that's as beautiful as it is functional. This oven solves common cooking frustrations: uneven heating, long preheat times, and cluttered countertops from multiple single-use gadgets. Its 6 quarts heating elements ensure rapid preheating and consistent results, while the Smart HQ app lets you control cooking remotely, perfect for multitasking. Whether you're air frying with less oil for healthier meals or proofing dough for homemade bread, this oven handles it all with ease. Key features and benefits. Here's a closer look at what makes the Café Couture Oven a standout choice. 14. Versatile cooking modes. From air fry for crispy, guilt-free fries to slow cook for tender stews, this oven tackles any recipe with precision. The CrispFinish mode adds a perfect golden touch to dishes like casseroles or roasted veggies. Large capacity for entertaining. With room for a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, it's built for family meals or party spreads. No need to fire up the big oven for smaller gatherings. Smart connectivity. Control your oven via the Smart HQ app or voice commands through Echo or Google Home. Start, stop, or adjust settings from anywhere. Perfect for busy lifestyles. Rapid preheating. 6 quarts heating elements deliver fast, even heat, so you're not waiting around to start cooking. Sleek, modern design. Available in matte black, matte white, or stainless steel with copper accents that elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. Intuitive controls. The bright LCD display and dial-style controls make it easy to select modes, set temperatures from 80 degrees Fahrenheit for proofing to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying, and monitor progress. Energy efficiency. Save energy by using this compact oven instead of your full-size oven for everyday cooking. The Wi-Fi connectivity and Smart HQ app took convenience to the next level. I programmed a slow cook recipe for pulled pork from my phone while running errands, and it was ready when I got home. Voice control via my Echo made it easy to adjust settings hands-free while juggling other tasks. However, the app's recipe library could use more variety, though updates are promised, and the oven's versatility means you can adapt any recipe with ease. Who is this oven for? The Café Couture Oven is perfect for busy professionals. Save time with quick preheating and smart controls that let you multitask. Home entertainers. Impress guests with everything from air-fried appetizers to gourmet roasts in a single appliance. Small space dwellers. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs where counter space and oven access are limited. Design enthusiasts. The sleek matte black finish and copper accents make it a stylish addition to any modern kitchen. Health-conscious cooks. Air fry mode lets you enjoy crispy foods with less oil, while dehydrate mode creates nutritious snacks. Final thoughts. The Café Couture Oven with air fry is a showstopper that blends style, versatility, and smart technology into one must-have appliance. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or proofing dough, it delivers consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Its sleek design and copper accents make it a centerpiece for any kitchen, while Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control add unmatched convenience. Don't settle for outdated appliances that limit your culinary creativity. Upgrade to the Café Couture Oven and transform the way you cook. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.